Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright guys, so welcome to our video, and in this video we are going to having a mini talk, we can
Yeah.
say, mini talk about backpacker, like what we already been through from this maybe around 2.5 months of backpacker. Yeah. So yeah, maybe how are we going to start this discussion? How?
First,
Yeah.
India.
First India. Okay.
Yeah, India.
Alright, so we live in India for around a month. For the first 3 weeks we are live in Aligarh, and then the last
1
week
week.
in Kashmir.
And then we go back to Delhi. Yeah.
Delhi, yes.
For around
2 days.
Two, yeah.
2 days.
Around 2
2 days.
days.
2
Yeah.
days.
Okay.
Alright, maybe let's talk about Aligarh first. So
Mm.
for Jahran, what's the most what kind of thing that you most maybe memorable or maybe you like from Aligarh?
Okay. So in our house, there is what kids.
Yes.
His name is Umayu and
Umayu.
yeah, Umayu and he's so
Active.
what? Yeah.
Yeah, that kid was really
Mm.
active, especially in the last day of us, our last
Yes.
day in Aligarh. Yeah,
Yes.
especially he oftenly plays in our rooms. Like for the first 2 weeks, he is like pretty much quiet, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Quiet, like only pass through us every day. But in the last weeks of in
He
the last
will
week
active.
in
Yeah.
Aligarh,
Really active.
yeah, really active, like oftenly playing in our room. Yeah.
And he always disturb our activity, right?
Yes.
When
Yeah.
we studying.
Yeah, sometimes he appears in not in the right, and that's the problem
Yeah.
from him.
Yes. Yeah.
And then any other else?
I think in Aligarh the weather is cold. Yeah.
Yes. For the first day.
Yeah. First day.
Oh yeah, the first day of in Aligarh.
Yes.
Maybe it's for the rest of the days. Maybe because we already adapted to the
Yeah.
temperature, so it's not really that cold. But for the first days, maybe a few days,
Yes.
at the first we are feeling really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Around 2 Celsius. Right?
No,
No. 4.
for the lowest I think around maybe 4
Four.
or maybe 8.
Yeah.
But even though the highest is only around 12, not really far. Not that. Only that, or
Yeah.
maybe is there something else, or maybe after want to say something about Aligarh.
Yeah. Maybe yes, like in Aligarh, maybe like not Aligarh in India.
India.
The klaxon.
Yeah.
Oh, the
The
horn.
The horn. Yes, horn.
Ah, yeah. Sometimes the
Oh.
horn was really kind
Yeah.
of disturbing.
Every morning we will.
No, not every morning. Every time we're
Every
passing
time.
the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
every
in the
time.
what is this? A pedestrian road where only by passing by and then tan. Damn, that's really loud. No kidding.
Yes.
And then what else? Do not have any other things to be talking about Aligarh. What can we talk about Aligarh?
I think the food. Yeah. Cause
Oh
I
yeah, the
always
food.
buy shawarma.
Ah,
because-
shawarma India.
Only shawarma,
Shawarma in at night.
Yeah.
Usually, when we want to
Yeah.
lunch is biryani.
Ah yeah, that's the most often things.
Because shawarma is the cheapest food in Aligarh. It's only 50 rupees, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 50 rupees or around 10,000 rupees. Damn, that's really cheap. Rather than Indonesia,
Yeah.
in Indonesia we can
We can
have around
thir-
20.
Yeah.
right?
25.
Yeah, around 20 or 25,000 for a single shawarma or maybe kebab.
There's
But
no
in
shawarma in Indonesia. It's only kebab.
What is the difference between shawarma and kebab actually?
I don't know. Maybe the size, or maybe the what's
The cover, right? The what?
No, the bread is the
There's
same.
no
no
bread.
same.
The bread is the
I
same.
think
but
the topic. Yeah, topic. I mean the toppings.
Topping.
Topping.
oh, the content. Maybe the meat or maybe something
Yeah.
like that.
Different meat.
Yeah. Yeah, still don't know what the difference between kebab and shawarma.
Yes.
But the origin was same, right? From Arabian.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Arabian
So
shawarma.
maybe you guys know what the difference between shawarma and also
Yeah.
kebab because we I actually don't know about it.
Okay, if you know different about kebab and shawarma, just
Say in comment.
Just comment.
And what else?
What?
Oh yeah, what kind? So most of the food that we are eating in India was actually origin or in Arabian. So do you have any food that actually from India, like the origin was in India,
Yeah,
like the
I think
signature of India?
only panipuri.
Yes,
Pani-
I have
panipuri.
felt the panipuri. The what? It's not good for.
I mean, like the taste.
Yeah.
The taste. It's like what's the word?
I forget which one is the panipuri. I never tasted actually.
Bro, panipuri the
Which one?
Cake.
The cake.
And use what?
Yes,
The
like
yeah, green.
I don't know
water.
the green soup.
Yeah, green soup.
Yes, like lemon lime. I don't know what the name.
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Yeah.
Yes, like a chip, but like you know.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah. But I never taste one panipuri.
Bro,
Yeah.
panipuri is for not too expensive. Only 3 rupees or 2 rupees.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I never found it. Where you found it?
Bro,
Where?
hey bro, many in there. The last day in we in Indian Gate. Indian Gate.
Yes.
There's many in there. You didn't see it.
Yes, I didn't see.
Ah,
Yeah, I didn't see it. I don't find any panipuri. Only samosa.
samosa only 8 rupees. Yes.
Yeah, it is in Aligarh Muslim University in
Yes.
Amu.
Anu.
But in
But it's
yeah.
good. It's good, bro. I like it.
Yeah, it's good samosa. It's
Yes.
pretty much like what? Yeah.
Potato.
Yeah, what in Indonesia like what goreng? What kind of gorengan?
Like, you know.
Like
Yeah, there is no English in the gorengan. Just say gorengan.
yeah, but what kind of gorengan that was similar to
Yeah,
samosa?
fries.
No, no, I'm not asking the translation of gorengan in English, but what kind of gorengan that was similar to samosa?
Samosa.
I
Potato.
no, what the?
Just forget it.
No, different.
Pack.
Not pangsit, pangsit.
Bapau. No.
Oh.
Bapau is Chinese.
Ah, ingat.
Just write in comment, okay? If you know that.
Yeah, and what else? Cuisines. What kind of other cuisines do you taste in Aligarh?
Oh, yeah. Pavaji. Pavaji.
Pavbaji. Oh,
Pavbaji.
pavbaji.
Yeah.
Pavaji.
So
Yeah.
pavbaji, if I remember, it's like same round bread but even more thinner.
Yes.
And then what else for pavbaji?
And the what is it? Is it soup?
Soup.
No, not soup. Like what? You know, like in Arabiata, when you give the sample for what?
Oh, the toel.
Paratha, I think. No.
I don't know.
What? Well, what kind of thing that we have to say it? Yeah. That's pretty much complicated to be. What descriptive? No, explain.
Yeah.
Kind of difficult.
Yeah. Hey, what next? What the name of the bread like flow up? You know, like ball. I think.
Wait, which one? Explain it.
I forgot the names. Actually, but it's like a bread. Not
A bread?
like a bread,
But
but it's like flow.
overflowing.
Yes, overflowing.
What kind of bread was overflowing? Oh, wait.
I think
That
not
has the
bread.
soup inside.
No.
No.
no,
In
no.
outside. In outside. I forgot the name. It's
Okay.
bread or chip. I don't know.
Dang,
It's so hard to say, bro.
No, I also kind of haven't find it yet. Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Maybe
like
enough for the cuisines.
Mm.
Cuisines for the food. Alright, we will
Okay.
talk about food, and then maybe
And maybe
talk
talking
about
about university, Amu in there.
university. Alright, maybe what's special from Amu? What do you think is special from Amu?
What do you think?
I don't know because I didn't follow AMU because I
Yours-
will not join there. So
Yeah, we don't have any interest, right?
Yes.
So yeah.
the good is there is just only like a food. I think for me.
Yeah, there's only found few food that was actually cheaper.
Yes.
Maybe we can talk about the historical building in India like Taj Mahal.
Ah yes, we go to Taj Mahal.
Oh yeah, Taj
Yes.
Mahal. Taj Mahal was actually really massive. I kind of surprised when the first time I was seeing it.
Me too.
And if you guys realizing, there are some what's ayah from Quran in Taj Mahal.
Really?
Huh?
Yeah, if you guys realizing it, there are some
Where?
like in the arc of
Yeah,
Taj
yeah.
Mahal and also the entrance. There are
Oh, I
some
see, I
writings
see.
in Arabian. That was actually ayah from Quran.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I didn't
Do
see
you
it.
know what I said?
What yeah? I not follow the ayah, but what I know is why the ayah was there because the king that was building the Taj Mahal was actually a Muslim.
Actually,
It was a Muslim kingdom of
but
India.
I have heard about like Indian have get you know like Muslim have get
What? It?
I not get like what war Indians versus the Muslim and Muslim won and get Indians
Oh no! It's just a border.
What?
What do you mean?
like war, you know.
Oh, war.
War.
Between
Oh,
Muslim
yeah.
and Hindu.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
there's
Muslim
actually
won.
some conflict between Pakistan
Yeah.
and India.
Pakistan and India. Right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Pakistan the old India but Muslim version.
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah, there are wants to be one nation but they're separated because of religion.
Oh yeah.
Religion.
I forgot what inside in Taj Mahal is. I forgot it. It's
Mm,
graveyard.
No, not graveyard. It's not a grave.
Grave.
Only grave, right?
Yes.
There are two grave.
Two
Right?
grave. The king,
king and queen. The queen.
Mumtaz Mahal and also
I
Who's
think-
the king?
The king, I don't know.
who's the king? I forgot who's the king.
Yeah.
Yeah, Taj Mahal get from names of his wife, right?
Yeah.
The
Yes.
king of wife. Oh,
The wife's
How many-
king.
how many king?
Mumtaz Mahal.
Mumtaz Mahal, right?
Mumtaz
Yeah.
Mahal was the wife.
He died when he she
Who was died? I forgot when.
no she died because why? Because what?
No.
Born his child the 14.
Yeah.
Yes,
Really?
yes, it died when
Yeah.
he born the
Oh
child of 14.
yes, yes, I read that. The 14th child,
Yeah.
and then she's dead.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty sad.
I don't know what the thing is.
Right, and then what else? Maybe let's talk about Kashmir. Okay, enough for
Okay.
this. Kashmir. So Kashmir, the snowy place that we are playing.
Only
So I
not
did-
just going to what's the name? The
Yeah,
mountain.
we only go to the mountain of
Mm.
Kashmir, nothing else.
Yes.
But
Wait, in with the what?
The
oh
lake.
yeah,
The
Dal
lake,
Lake.
The
The
lake.
lake
That
and
is a-
garden of what? Garden of
Mm,
what? I forgot.
Ah.
Close with the Dal Lake. Is close from there.
Yeah, it's close from Dal Lake. Yeah, Kashmir was actually really fun, especially with the snow part.
Yeah. It's
But,
too cold.
uh,
Too cold.
yeah. It's,
Oh, yeah.
it's really cold.
Yes.
It's really
I remember the first time I see the rain snow. What? Snow rain?
snowfall.
No, snow rain. Like what?
Fall.
Yeah.
Fall, right?
Fall.
Snowfall.
Snowfall.
Oh yeah, snowfall.
Snowfall.
The first time I see it in the night when
Mm.
we come back from Dark Lake, like
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but it's just a little.
yes, only little. Because it's so cold, I can, I can breathe in without that.
Yeah, sometimes breathe kind of hard when it was cold. Sometimes.
Yes.
What else?
Oh yeah, only that, right? Oh yeah, before we go Dark Lake, where did we go?
Only the mountain.
No, before we go to Dark Lake,
The lake before we go to the
dry fruit.
Oh, the shop. The fruit shop.
Yeah,
What
the
is
shop.
that?
Just think of,
Right
what do you think about the shop is? Is what
I
fancy?
didn't bought any of it.
About you?
Yeah, same. Like it.
We didn't
hell.
bought anything
Only
from the
me to
shop.
buy that in there. Only buy
Yeah,
the
what
what the tea?
Saffron.
Saffron.
Ah.
Saffron.
Saffron premium, bro. 1 gram is around 300,
500.
300
Rupees.
300 rupees. For the 5 gram or 8 gram, I forgot.
5 gram, 1,000.
5 gram, thousand, right?
1,000 if I remember.
Yeah.
So
I remember.
You already use it? Or you
No,
haven't?
no. I
You
have to
haven't?
brought to home because it can survive until 36 months.
Alright, that's pretty long. 3
So-
years.
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years. I think we're out of topic from India. Are we?
No, the last is in New Delhi. Go to KBRI, Indian.
Oh yeah, but there's nothing special about it, so just take to
Indian Gate.
Indian Gate. So what? About Indian Gate?
I don't know.
What? You don't know about that historical
Yeah, I
place
don't know.
about the ceremony? You know that every Independence Day of India there's a parade there every time.
I don't
Parade.
know. I don't know.
Yeah, except maybe at COVID
Wait.
there's a parade.
The last I see in the Indian Gate, this is like what
Name.
name?
Yeah.
No, not name. Like
Not what?
the white or right. I can see it. But I
There's a
remember.
writing that was carved
yes.
in Indian Gate.
Ah.
It is actually the name of soldiers that was fall in the war.
Oh.
Yeah, because if India was joined because of forced by England, by British to join the war of World War II, I can remember, but I don't know for the World War One. So the fallen soldiers' names was written there, or
Yeah.
maybe there's also some regiment.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay,
soldiers
maybe
regiment.
I done for now for
Mm.
Indian because
Alright.
nobody, no one.
Yeah, we're actually out of topic, right?
Yes.
So maybe we'll move to
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. And the
Okay,
first
second
city
country
is
juga.
Medina.
Yes. No, Jeddah first. Jeddah then go to Medina.
Oh, nah, Jeddah we do nothing in Jeddah.
Yeah, just
Jeddah.
talking about the Jeddah. What the name?
Airport.
The airport Jeddah.
Airport.
Jeddah airport is
international.
good, bro. And the last I see the aquarium, there's a shark or
Mm.
something.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
aquarium.
Just imagine an aquarium about height around a few meters,
Yeah.
around maybe 12 or 15 meters.
Yes. Many.
Damn.
I
The
can
aquarium was
it's
really
really
big.
Yes.
No kidding. Even a shark can be contained inside it, and also some stingray.
Yes. I don't know how the fish can survive in there. There's no shark there.
Well, maybe. Yeah, it's kind of questionable about that. Yeah, how is there tropical fish there?
I don't know. What the name like? The what in bahasa is ikan pari? I forgot.
Yeah, stingray.
Stingray, right? Stingray is be dangerous like for shark maybe.
Maybe because of they are already making some kind of ecosystem that keeping the every fish was still left and not eating each other. So maybe they have something
Maybe.
they have to do
I don't
about
know.
it.
He can friends like you know when you watching Finding Nemo when Dory when he friend with Megalodon.
Oh, the great white shark.
Yes.
Damn, maybe. Oh
Maybe-
yeah,
maybe like that, bro.
Maybe something like that. Maybe the tropical fish was already friend with the shark.
I don't know what to do.
Alright, so maybe
we
around
move
Medina.
to
Okay,
Medina.
okay, move to Medina. So yeah, the most special things of Medina, you know what it is? Yes,
Masjid Nabawi.
Masjid Nabawi. So how's your prayers in Masjid Nabawi?
Bro, I never pray in hotel in Medina.
What yours? You know?
Yeah, I never.
Damn.
I always
you're
go to
lucky.
Nabawi, bro.
Damn,
Maybe
you're lucky.
I accept subuh because I'm sleepy.
Except for subuh. Subuh
Bro,
often.
Bro, it's good. It's better when you go to Zuhur, you know, not cold, you know, like in Kashmir.
You just
I can go, bro. I
just
can go to,
imagine,
I
bro.
can go to Boston because the cold is.
You just imagine in subuh it's really cold, especially the wind. But if you're lucky, if there's no wind, it's actually not really that cold.
Yeah.
Just if you're lucky, there is no wind, cold wind. In Medina, the wind was pretty cold.
Yes.
And do you ever lost any of your sandals?
No.
Only you.
Yeah, I lose it twice. I lose it twice. Dang it. I
Now
lose
you use
two of
the-
my sandal and yeah.
Now you use the
In
wakaf
Nabawi
sandal,
Mas?
right? Sandal wakaf.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
use sandal wakaf now. Until now.
Yeah, until now. Dang it. I cannot.
Just buy your sandal in here. It's not so expensive now.
Nah, that sandal was still pretty much usable, so it's okay.
Okay. So
We talk
ano tayo?
about food?
Oh yeah. Before food, we talking about the what we going to?
Museum.
No, not museum.
Not museum.
Jabal Uhud.
Jabal Uhud, yes.
The city tour, Madinah city tour.
Yes.
Bagi.
The first is like
Masjid Kuba.
Masjid
Yeah.
Kuba, and then go to Garden of Date.
Gate guard.
Date Garden. Date Garden.
Kebun kurma.
Date Garden. It's Date Garden.
Hmm.
And then go to the
Jabal Uhud.
Jabal Uhud.
Oh yeah, Jabal Uhud, and then Kiblatain Mosque. Kiblatain Mosque.
Kiblatain and also
Uh,
the Sabah. Sabah. Sabah Mosque.
Sabah. Sabah Mosque.
There is.
Where?
Where? No, only Kiblatain Mosque.
Yeah, I'm kind of forgot.
After we go to Kiblatain Mosque to go to Uhud.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Kiblatain, the mosque. Whoever filled the boat of Qiblah.
Go to Masjid Al-Aqsa and then go to
Masjid Al-Aqsa.
Masjidil Aqsa. Oh iya iya,
Yeah.
from Masjidil Aqsa.
Masjid Al-Aqsa and then go to Masjid Al-Haram.
Baik. Hmm.
The first
Bait-
Qibla
yeah,
of
Bait
Muslim
Al-Aqsa.
is Masjid Al-Aqsa, bro.
Yeah.
And then
Wait.
and then Allah sent to Muhammad go to Masjid Al-Haram.
Yeah. But so there's actually a few mosques in Medina before the moving of Qiblah. Hmm.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's also Masjid Kuba. So can Masjid Kuba was set as Qiblatain? Maybe. Maybe.
Just write in comment, okay?
You don't have to actually ask them to write comment. I don't know if they're actually watching it.
Bro, our parents will watching this one.
I don't know. So what else?
What you talking about the Uhud?
Uhud.
Yes.
There's nothing much going to talk about Uhud. Except it was hot when it was morning.
Okay, because I
Yeah,
don't
nothing
have
else.
nothing else to talking about Uhud and others talking about food now.
Food. The only food, Arabian food, that was it.
Bros,
Only
yes, bros.
No, I have
Bros
fun.
name, bro.
No, bros
Nave
nine.
or Karak bros.
Yes,
Karak.
bros. Oh my
So
god, it's so
Any of
expensive,
you
bro.
didn't know that Karak Bros. We have a few options of fried chicken in Medina. There is Al Baik, that was the most popular, and also there is Karak, the other alternative, and also
Nice.
Bros name.
close in
Yeah.
our
Bros
hotel
name.
there is Bros Nine.
Yes.
Even though the price were not really much different, but only 2 reals difference, but we rather choose Bros Knife because it was much more cheaper rather than Karak. Even though
Yes.
Karak was actually closer to Masjid Nabawi, but yeah, closer to hotel better.
Yeah, and then the like Indonesian food, like country food, Indonesian, Italy.
Yeah, but
And
so about Karak again.
mm,
No, after Karak, no, it's already Masjid Karak. So I
Yeah.
talk about other food. What kind of other food?
Kunafa, I think.
Oh, yeah, kunafa.
Kunafa.
Mozzarella, bro.
It's sweet.
Sweet.
It look like what? Cotton candy, right? Cotton candy.
No, not cotton
Kunafa.
candy. You know, like chocolate Dubai.
Chocolate Dubai.
Yes.
No.
No, in
the texture the same,
The
but
taste
the
the
looks, it's kind of what? What yeah?
I forgot the
I don't know
name.
the shape of kunafa is actually unique. Just imagine a thin cake around this thin, and also covered with, you can say, cotton candy.
Yeah,
Mhm.
cotton candy.
Oh, maybe much similar with rambut nenek or not?
Yeah.
Rambut nenek.
Yes.
Maybe
But
similar with,
rambut nenek is so soft.
yeah, it's sweet and soft, but
Soft.
kunafa is
Yeah, like
Close.
crunchy.
yeah, a little bit
Crunch.
crunchy and also sweet.
Sweet.
Maybe it's because of the cream. Yeah, the cream or maybe
No. The crunch is like, like when you
oh,
oh,
cat.
cat. Oh my god. Like cheddar, when you burn it, it will
Yeah. Oh, tasty. Yeah, just try kunafa.
Yes.
Kunafa is tasty.
Yes, if you go to Madinah, I mean, okay, what are you talking about after? Oh yeah, UIM.
UIM.
Yes, UIM, Universitas Islam Madinah.
UIM. Nothing much but for me, there's nothing much going to say about it.
Yeah,
Oh come on,
cause we only
visiting it.
playing football, right? We.
Oh yeah, playing football in UIM.
Yeah.
Yes.
And is there any of you going to play PlayStation there?
No.
No, bro.
Well.
Wait, is this a PlayStation 5 or 4?
Five.
Five.
Right?
Yeah, five.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just imagine in the same sport building there are outside sport. There was basketball and also mini soccer, futsal. But
And
inside,
imagine it when you go to UIM, you will be paid from school. Oh my god.
oh yeah.
Good, bro. Then you can pay your family.
If you guys don't know, the requirement to go to UIM, there is from the source that we get that we got, there is no requirement for the test. There's no test actually for entering the UIM, so
Like
it's
the
just matter
ijazah.
of luck. And also the ijazah, yeah, for your score. Yeah, matter of luck. And then there is no other cost that you spend in UIM except for food. For us, dormitory already been provided, and also for the even transportation from for you go to Indonesia and Saudi Arabia, it's already been provided from the government.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's actually really good. You only spend, yeah, only for food or maybe for another apartment if you are living outside of the dormitory. And the other, yeah, just going to be learning, nothing else.
And then go to Hajj maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you, yeah,
Go to Haram.
yeah, if you want, it's actually additional cost for it. Yeah, but yeah, there's the what is what
Wait, after we go to UIM, where we going? Nothing, right? Oh yeah, museum now. Alright, we can
Yeah.
talk about museum now.
Asafia.
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 Asafia Museum. What's the content on it?
Like story about Sirah again.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sirah Nabawiyah. Not Sirah
Yeah,
Nabawiyah
just
about
talking
the
about prophet from Prophet Adam.
Yeah, from
till
Prophet Adam.
From
Adam
Adam
from
till
Muhammad.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah. With that.
nothing nothing was going to talk about it. And maybe alright, so maybe we can now talk about Makkah. Okay, so the
Okay.
last topic.
Yes.
Now it'll be in last minute, so just talk about Makkah.
Yes.
So yeah, what? Alright. So what's the most fun things about Makkah? It's actually the Masjidil Haram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Masjidil Haram, the
The
most
first day,
special
the first
mosque.
day we go to Makkah, we do
Umrah.
Umrah, yeah. Imagine being in the first day of Ramadan and the first day in Makkah, we are going
Umrah.
Umrah.
and then going to Bal.
Yeah, bald. That's why we're bald now. Actually, my hair is going to be longer, but we're bald because of very Umrah.
Because of Umrah, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And then buat Masjidil Haram ya. The downside of it is only actually the distance from our hotel to Masjidil Haram is
4 kilometer, right? 4 kilometer.
yeah, if you're walking
Yeah.
going to spend around 40 or 50 minutes, but if you're walking actually fast enough, you can do it 30 minutes, but yeah, it still take really long time. And you guys ever doing tarawih there?
Yeah.
Since it was Ramadan, right?
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes doing
It's too
tarawih
far,
there.
bro.
Yeah, too
It's
far.
too far.
Sad.
Just take in the name?
Takjil.
Takjil,
Iya,
bro.
yes.
Takjil.
We are looking for takjil, right?
Yeah,
After
for
Tajil,
a lot of
we
Tajil.
go home. Then Tarawih in close
Lokong.
from
Yeah.
yes
From our hotel.
Yes.
For a little bit information, the takjil in Masjidil Haram was actually a bag of plastic around this size. And the content was a bread, and usually a cheese bread, and also a muffin. Yeah,
muffin.
Yeah.
muffin cake, and also some dates, and a
Water.
bottle of water, and then the last
the
one.
juice.
And
Juice,
also
yeah,
juice. That's why you always
Yeah. Maybe we can like hunting the
hunting for the
hunting
bag.
the bag.
Yeah.
If you find someone who bring the bag, just take it.
Just take it.
Just take
If
it.
you're lucky, you can get around 4, maybe 5, but usually we get around 2 or 3.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just lucky
This-
from the people, bro.
yeah. And also sometimes there are also some people they was sharing their food or maybe drinks, in Masjidil Haram. If you actually find it,
Yes.
in between soft there are some. If you're lucky.
Yeah. Maybe
And then the last thing we're going to be talking about is
Umukuro.
Umukuro.
Umukuro University.
Actually, there's once again for university there's nothing much going to talking about.
Hey, bro. In
There's
Umukuro
nothing
there is
special
like special things. Museum. There is museum there.
Oh, the small museum, yeah.
Our museum.
Yes. Library, in the library.
Oh yeah, in the library. Yeah, there's small museum that was contain a few manuscript, old manuscript from around hundred or maybe thousands
Yes.
years ago. Maybe a few and also there are also a few a Quran that was come from few hundreds ago from like what empire? What Muslim empire? Forget.
Yeah, from the age of Osman bin Affan, the first Quran was written from him.
Yeah.
Yes.
We can see the first Quran in there, and the blood of Osman bin Affan from I don't know who killed it.
Oh yeah. But is this actually the real one?
No, it's copy.
Yeah.
Yes, the copy. It's
Yeah,
copy.
it's the copy.
I think the real one is already destroyed
Ah.
because that is the book is from the 100 years ago.
But
132.
if it was kept really good, it can actually stand for around a few hundred years. If it was
Yeah,
contained, it was kept. And then maybe last is
Our museum.
Wahyu Museum.
Yeah, apa museum?
And also Jabal Kondama.
Jabal
Yes,
Kondama.
Jabal Kondama. The in front of what Tower Zamzam Tower.
No, it's actually very far.
No, we can see the
Yeah,
the-
the view
yeah,
from
view.
Jabal Kondama is
Yes.
really astonishing.
and the first thing, the one thing I was shocked in there. You know the biggest rock in there? Yes. Mi ayam
don't say that
bakso.
vandalism.
Oh my god, who was right in there, bro?
Dang it, Indonesian people vandalism.
I don't know who was right.
Why? Just why Indonesian people? Why there is a writing of Pak Yadi
Yeah.
and also
Pak
Mas Yadi, bro.
Mas Yadi.
Mas Yadi. I don't know who him.
Dang it, who's the one who write it? And also there are also some small vandalism that also names and also many things. Yeah, there's
Yeah.
not a lot of vandalism. And maybe the last is
Oh.
how many times are going to say the last? We just keep appearing with another topic. Dang it. Alright. Just talk about
Museum Al Wahyu, bro.
yeah, Museum
Just
Al Wahyu
talk
are
about it.
in Hira Cultural District, even though it was the only place that was visited this Revelation exhibition or maybe Al Wahyu Museum, which was contained about stories and also
The
some
story, yeah.
history about
The
first
first
Wahyu,
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first Wahyu.
maybe the first of Quran,
Yes.
which is what? Yeah, Surat Al-Alaq. Al-Alaq. Yes.
Al-Alaq.
Al-Alaq. Yeah, the story was told from
Muhammad go to Hero Cave.
from the born of the Prophet Muhammad.
Ah, yeah, betul.
And then the rich staying in Hira cave, and also the chief of the Wahyu, and also the last is Khadijah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, the importance of Khadijah in the first revelation.
Yes. And,
Yeah.
then the last thing when when go out, you see the man. Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah, sometimes Arabian promotion is actually pretty much funny. Like the tone and also the the translation to Indonesia. Damn.
Oh my god, bro.
You hush
I-
hush nanti habis nanti habis. But the coklat was actually
Yes.
ran out. Damn.
They ran out. And then he said with bahasa like what? Coklatnya habis, mashallah, mashallah. Oh my god, bro. Like this man.
Funny. Yeah, the Arabian promotion. And yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
How many minutes have we been? Alright, 7 minutes. Maybe that's enough for this mini talk. Because we are only required for 30 minutes going to yapping about something that we are feeling in backpacker. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's all for 3 of us. Me,
Yeah.
Eko, Aftar, and Abdul Jahran. And then see you next time in our video.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.